Sir Robert Anderson, a detective and theologian from the 19th century, calculated that a biblical prophecy about 69 weeks matches exactly the number of days between a decree in 445 BC and Jesus' public entry into Jerusalem in AD 32, down to the very day.
Wait, really? That sounds almost too precise to be true.
Yeah, it's pretty remarkable. This prophecy comes from the book of Daniel, where it talks about 7 weeks and 62 weeks, which adds up to 69 weeks. But these aren't normal weeks of 7 days.
So what kind of weeks are they?
In this case, a week means 7 years. So 69 weeks is actually 483 years. Think of it like a special prophetic calendar where a week equals 7 years instead of days.
Okay, that's interesting. But how do they count the years? Are they the same as our years?
That's the next part. Anderson argued the prophecy uses a year of 360 days, not the usual 365. This comes from ancient calendars with 12 months of 30 days each.
So 483 years times 360 days gives?
About 173,880 days. Now, Anderson identified the starting point as a decree by King Artaxerxes in 445 BC to rebuild Jerusalem.
And the end point?
The triumphal entry of Jesus into Jerusalem, which is celebrated on Palm Sunday, dated April 6, AD 32. Counting the years between those dates gives 476 years plus 24 days.
Wait, why 476 years and not 477?
Because there is no year zero between BC and AD, so you subtract 1 year when you cross that boundary. It's 445 plus 32 minus 1, which equals 476 years.
Got it. So how does the math match perfectly?
When you convert 476 years plus 24 days into total days using the Julian calendar, that's 365 days per year plus leap days, you get exactly 173,880 days.
That's the same number as the prophecy's 69 weeks calculated in days?
Exactly. Anderson's calculation shows the prophecy's timeline aligns perfectly with history, right down to the day Jesus entered Jerusalem.
That's pretty amazing. It's like a puzzle fitting together perfectly.
Yeah, it really highlights how biblical prophecy can be seen as a detailed timeline, and how Anderson's detective skills helped uncover that.
It definitely makes you wonder about the connection between ancient texts and real historical events.
Absolutely. It's a fascinating example of how history and prophecy can intersect in surprising ways.